Welcome back to pouidesigns, to our SVG course. In this video I will show you how to create a mock-up to upload on your Etsy shop or on your website, a mock-up for your SVG file. Okay, I have this file here. It's the last one that we created. There are more coming. I have a mock-up that I got from online, and I will use it to put this file on it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to File, Open, and I will get my mock-up out. I think this is it. Open, yeah, this was it. And it will open into another place. Yeah, here is my mock-up. Okay, I will zoom in with 5. And now I'll go to the other page, the SVG, or you can open the SVG. I will right click and I will copy it. Copy and go to my mock-up and paste it in here. Paste. It's too big, so to keep it proportionate, you can select it and lock it right here. Make it smaller. Okay, and then place it here. Okay, place it right here. I like it like it is. Yeah, place it right here. And then this mock-up, you want to use it for more designs. So let me show you how to save this file separately from the mock-up itself. You go to File, Export, and then you have everything here. You need to be selected page. You will get the whole thing. And yeah, you have it here. And then you click on here. Okay, and this will open. And then you don't leave it on this name. You need to change the name, or you will lose the shirt mockup itself. If you put it on another name, the thing will stay. The shirt will stay under the old name. Okay, basketball mom, and the way to recognize mockups in my system, I put behind it MKP mockup. So I will know, and it's in a PNG format. I'll just click save, and this whole thing will be exported into my download section. Let's go back there and see it. You see here, this is our mockup that we will list on Etsy, and this is the one that I have. You know, the mockup body itself. Okay, I will change the name. Rename white shirt mockup. Okay, now I have it. Okay, this is how you create a mockup to list on Etsy or your website. Thank you for watching.